Look at the camera difference. Holy crap. 12 Pro, see you later. Whoop. Holy smokes! Ooh, same matte finish. Let's put it on the side. It's heavier. It's definitely heavier than the 12 Pro. We get the cable, of course, where's the SIM tool, which I'm gonna use right now, and the Apple stickers. And jump right into it. It looks even way better than the box in real life. It looks like the sky, which is really awesome. Love the color. Of course, we get the shiny rails. Look at that. Okay. Ah, yes. I got this case with the MagSafe from Apple from outer box. Let's crack it open because this bad boy needs... Wait, did he put... He gave me the max? He gave me the max. Oh my god, he gave me the max. See the difference between... Oh my god, the camera bump though. Is this the camera bump? Holy crap. Whoa, what a huge camera bump. We don't have a case then, but this is the one that I wanted to get. I'll get it later. But this blue though. I'm gonna be rocking this phone without a case. Holy cow, I'm freaking out. Okay, let's boot it up. We have both the 12 Pro and the 13 Pro both in hand. Should I get closer? I got also the SIM tool. Holding them both at the same time, this is definitely heavier. The camera bump is, I think, what made it heavier. I'm sweating too much and the fingerprints on the rails are not looking good, but oh my god, the blue looks so good. And ejecting the SIM tool, get the 13. Oh, the SIM... Wait, what? We can see the SIM tray is lower on the 12, but the buttons are higher. Here are the buttons are lower for some reason, and the SIM tray is over here. Even on the other side, the home button on the 13 is slightly lower. And by the way, you can see the camera bump and how big the difference is. Look at it. Holy crap. Putting the SIM inside this new SIM tray, and it's in. Let's boot it up. Apple logo. Let's see the 120 Hz display. Come on. The hello. Okay, let's swipe up. Whoa! That was super smooth. Holy crap, the graphics. Wait, hold on a second. For real. 5G is already on, which is great. And the notch, holy crap. Noticeably smaller. I think it's thicker, no? I mean, we're not getting any more details on top, which like I would have loved to see more details. Just the icons are a bit more distant from each other. 13 clicks, 12 clicks. It's much clickier. Okay, Face ID is now set up. This is what I love about Apple. Look, like I'm setting up the new iPhone. It told me to bring the old iPhone near to it and it recognized that. Okay, while I'm letting the iPhone set up for a bit. Last year I moved to the Apple world with the iPhone 12 Pro after using Android devices my entire life. And this year I chose to continue with Apple for another year, and that's for a lot of reasons, of course. Let me list some of them for you. No other phone in the market right now offers what Apple is offering with their devices. I know 120 Hz has been with the Android phones for a while. We have a lot of great stuff on Android as well. I love Android, but the longevity of iPhones and the Apple community and how the softwares get updated for everyone at the same time is just incredible. Like my brother has an iPhone 8 Plus, my sister has an iPhone 11. We all get the same update at the same time in the same day. There is no wait a couple of months because you have an older phone or wait a whole year to get the new update. The iPhone SE and the iPhone 6s are both getting the iPhone 15 for this year, and these phones got launched long time ago. I've also been moving to the Apple ecosystem step by step. I got the Apple Watch, I'm getting the MagSafe accessories. I really love MagSafe on the iPhone 12, and I'm really glad that they kept it on the 13 Pro as well. I know I'm getting locked kind of in the Apple ecosystem, but I'm keeping a way out. I'm still using most of Google apps. I just moved from Spotify to Apple Music. Other than that, I'm not using any other Apple stuff. By the way, I kept the glasses just to see how good the screen is, and it looks great. One of the main reasons also why I moved to the iPhone is because they have such good video recording. I've been recording videos on the iPhone since I got it, and I've been using it on my channel a lot of times. And you're not gonna even know which shot was shot on my camera and which shot was shot on the iPhone. I think also that the iPhone sometimes looks even better than the camera. The quality is great, the skin tones are great, and with the 13 Pro, they got the cameras even better. Okay, just finished the transfer complete. My Apple Watch is telling me to pair with the new iPhone. One of the things that I hated about the 12 Pro, that the screen wasn't as bright. Now, it is bright. It gets super bright as well, much brighter than the 12. Let me send my brother my first message. Woohoo, from the new iPhone. Something about the screen is like, it's clear, better. Here we go. Rest in peace, iPhone 12 Pro. And this is gonna live with me for the next year. Whoa, love the wide. It's much clearer. It's like there's more details in the wide. 3x zoom, I love the zoom. That's why I got the 12 Pro in the first place, because I really wanted that telelens. But 3x zoom, that's really zoomed in. Selfie. I think the reds are super red. Why I look so pale? What the hell? Oh, whoa. The details. The details. I'll put the photo. Look at my face. I'm looking, but the details though. So much more details. Look at the fabric. Let's try the macro on my shirt. Whoa! Let's try the macro on the mic. Macro video. Whoa! Cinematic video. This is the first video ever taking on my iPhone 13 Pro with the cinematic video. Let's try looking away. Okay, I think we need another face so it can focus on another thing. But yeah, it looks great. The mic also is, I think, a little bit better, crispier. The speakers are much clearer than last year. That's very obvious. Should you move to the iOS world if you are an Android user? Here's the thing. If you don't mind not having so much optimization within your phone, then yes, move to the iOS world. Do you really need an S Pen, for example, for the Note? If not, then yes, move to the iOS world. Do you really need a Fold? If not, then also move to the iOS world. iPhones are such a good investment if you want a phone that will live with you for a long time. I made so much videos through the past year about the iOS world from an Android user point of view, talking about what I liked and disliked about iOS, what I missed from Android, talking about my experience with the iOS world, what I liked and disliked about it, and what features that it doesn't have coming from an Android phone. I also made a couple of videos about how to transfer data from Android to iOS, and some tips and tricks for people that are new to the iOS world. I'll leave all these videos down in the description and in a playlist over here. Of course, I'll be making so much videos about the iPhone 13 Pro from a filmmaker standpoint for the cameras and an Android user standpoint for the software. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe already. Thank you for watching, and don't forget that life is all about love and dance. See ya!